2017 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.